Hi guys, this is Morgan, and what you're looking at right now is a big magnet, and these are the particles such as in the video with the toner and the vegetable oil. Ours isn't a liquid, but it's the same concept. The particles are magnetized, which then they stick to the magnet. As well, you see screws and everything, which is already magnetized as well. The particles from the bottom of this magnet are from the Earth, which there are parts of the Earth that are magnetized. So this creates an attraction to the magnet. Compared to the video with the magnetation being liquid, this one is solid. I just wanted to use something that was part of my own day of life. This is for picking up screws so that the horses don't get hit with them in their feet, or our cars don't get screws in them. So you can move this around, it moves it, stays there's kind of some resistance, which is interesting, and they're very finite little pieces, so they're like they don't. So at this point there's a pull right here that doesn't allow them to go forward. So there's two poles that it's not attracted to. It's only attracted to a similar amount. The dust is made out of iron, so it feels attracted to the magnet both onto the top of it and around it, which is the top and around it. Magnets have an effect on all them. We call it magnetic field. So this has a magnetic field. I also like the point of the iron filling are super easy to get at home, just to buy. Having these in the dirt, which makes it even easier than buying some toner as well. So it's using parts of the home to really understand what's going on. Thank you and have a good day. But not much longer is that saying goodbye with these trying to push them forward doesn't say goodbye back. So it's hard to push these over this field, which then these magnets are attracted to this field. So it's attracted to this field and to this field, but not into the middle, which is interesting. Since the soil and the sediment reflect the quality of the borax materials, which are minerals. A lot of soils will have magnetic properties to them, and which give different aspects to these different soils. So something that's enriched with a lot of iron will have a lot more magnetic field to it. That's why you don't want a lot of magnets anywhere near any electronics. A lot of times it can freak it out and destroy parts of it. So in this instance, we are really looking at the magnets pulling and attracting to the iron in the soil. As well, comparing to the video, it's pulling the iron, the mineral, out, the element out of the toner. So that is pretty much it. I think as a kid, we played with magnets in the soil and have seen this kind of collection, or even when your magnets kind of get dirty, it's picking up some of the dust, the dirt, or the particles that are attracted to it. So I thought this was kind of interesting. We use this all the time as kids and just playing with magnets, as well as just knowing the properties of different magnetic fields and what they're attracted to as in elements. So very much iron is an attractive element to a magnetic field. Thank you and goodbye.